Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The margin property in CSS controls the amount of space around your element outside the assigned border. You can use one value to control the whole margin using the margin property, or you can control each side independently using the margin-top, margin-right, margin-bottom, or margin-left properties. You can express margin values by using auto, which allows the browser to define the size, a percentage amount, or in pixels, points, centimeters, millimeters, inches, picas, x height, or em. The margin of your HTML elements is always transparent and is not affected by any background color your element may be set with. If you decide to use the individual control properties, you must assign a value or it will be set to the default value of 0 pixels. Our on-screen example shows styling for paragraph with a class of 1. Set margin top property at 10 pixels, the margin right property at 5 pixels, margin bottom at 10 pixels, and margin left at 5 pixels. This will cause your browser to display the paragraph with class of 1 with the margins you assigned on each side.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.